Good morning, everyone. Lots of you have been asking me how I got my mast to a round stage. It was glued up in two pieces and was about 3 inches by 3 inches square when I started out. And the bottom of the mast down here is square and is left square and comes up about 8 inches and then goes into the rounded part. So I did some 45-degree angle cuts through my table saw to about a foot above the bottom of the mast, and then I started doing some planing with the power planer, and I just planed off some of the flat edges, which would be similar to this here. Some of that got planed off with a power planer, and then from this point here, which is about 700 millimeters from the top of the mast has a taper, and it goes from 3 inches round here to 2 inches round at the top. And that was simply done with the planer also, just planing this down. I marked the end of the mast and it was planed down at that point. Then with the point that we're at now is mainly handwork, and so I start by planing some of the larger flats down with a larger plane, and just take off some of the larger flats as I go along here. That gets down some of the stuff, and then I use a smaller block plane to finish up. And by the time I get done with planing, it's pretty close to being round. As you can see in this top section here, that is getting pretty close down here to being round, and then I can just start sanding at this point and sand till I get it to a point where it is here, where it is pretty much rounded and sanded. The transition part here, I used a draw knife to pull and to make this transition here, and then just sanding. And it still will need some more sanding to get rid of some of the tool marks, and then we'll get finished. Okay, I think that's about it for making it round, and thank you.